Hidden beneath your staircase, where the lighting is terrible and old paint cans go to die, lies a lot of untapped potential. We're just gonna build some shelves. So watch this. I'm gonna use plywood since I have a lot of plywood laying around, but you could probably just use a 1x8. The spacing underneath the steps should be good for it. I think you could go up to like 8 inches if you wanted to, but just measure before you decide on the size. I'm doing it this way because I haven't moved my miter saw down into my workshop yet. And I'm yelling because I can't tell how loud I'm talking with my earmuffs on. Alright, so we did a little test fit and had to sneak up on it like 3 times because apparently one of these is bowed in a little bit, but we won't get into that right now. So this fits now. I cut these little strips to go underneath, and I'm just gonna tack them in there. You can use a level. I'm going to choose not to. Here goes. Did you think I was going to leave it with just those 2 brad nails? Kids, protect your ears. You'll thank me in like 50 years. Maybe we should have pre-drilled. But where's the fun in that? There? You could add a supporting strip on the middle, but I don't think I'm going to put anything that heavy on here. I'm not going to do pull-ups on it either. Here's the problem with thanking me for wearing hearing protection. If you wear it, in 50 years, you're probably going to be like, what was this guy talking about? I don't have major hearing issues. But if you don't wear it, I'll have "I told you so" written on my tombstone and you can come visit it. I thought this was going to be simple, but now we've run into another problem. How am I going to secure this down to the strips? I might not need to, but I don't want to get hit in the head with everything. We'll come up with something and be back. Alright, so here's the solution. We're just going to nail this in to the little There's a sneaky way to add some storage in case you've got a nephew living in your stairs. In case you're wondering why I have so many of the gold and black vise, there's actually more over there that I haven't put up yet. These are on sale for like $11 a dozen at Target, and I bought all of them. and they're terrible for golfing because you can't see them in the grass. So here's the problem with thanking me about wearing hearing protection. Because in 50 years, if you wear hearing protection, we're